everyone completely, right?
Yep.
Because
Every
they
6.
have the so not to
Yep,
get
that's it.
this.
That's it.
Okay.
I'm gonna show you. I got that too. I think I got it in my bag.
What is that? The filter?
Yeah,
Yeah,
I'm
it's
gonna
like
show you what she's pointing.
yeah, it's a filter.
All right.
Okay.
So these minerals blocks all the stuff from getting out. Do not get them synthetic them balls. You know the shower filter with the balls in it.
Yeah.
That's synthetic. Don't get that. Look more towards these.
So like that.
Put it on the
This
big
is the
screen.
mm, God. Sorry, guys. Fingers. Or you mean the long clear one?
Yeah, yeah. So that
Okay.
look good, but don't get that long with the balls in it. That's synthetic.
Mm-hmm.
I'll show you guys what
And
he's
can I find
talking
your
about.
website through your page on here?
Yeah, he's gonna
It's right there in the bottom in the comment section.
right there.
He's talking
Follow.
about this.
Y'all see that? That's synthetic. Do not get that. That's fake. Fake
Really?
minerals. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Oh, the one with all the pretty balls.
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
My
Hmm.
girlfriend
Didn't
actually has
know.
that.
What is your
All
website?
right.
Have, like some of the things that you're talking about, like the filters.
Absolutely.
Oh.
Yeah.
Do you
Like
ship to
if
Canada?
say it again.
Yep.
Do you ship to Canada?
That's a good question. I need to find. I don't know if we ship to Canada because
No,
was
because
it you, Ashanti? Was it
yeah,
you that got? Go
we
ahead.
don't even we don't have Cash App out here, so I'm gonna have to probably talk to Mona to send
How
me
about this?
money.
Go
Or
ahead
you
and
mean
try
with the
to
website?
go ahead and try to order something on here. I know somebody from Canada said they tried to buy something and they got somebody from somewhere else to get it sent to them. I don't really know what happened, but I need to figure out do we ship to Canada. This is my teacher, and this I'm a consultant for this website. So I'm a consultant for this website. That's what I do.
I'm gonna try to buy something now. See. I'll let y'all know.
So we go to store, product categories, and somebody talked about soap. Okay, let's see what type of soap we should be bathing with.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, I am. Yes, I am Canadian.
Yeah, so
Woo!
while we're doing this, just want to take a quick break. If just
Go
to
ahead.
talk about Yizzreal, he is a certified herbalist, and you can work with him. Just he's here to share
Dietitian as well.
with us, and there's
Yep.
so much more. So please contact him for your herbalist needs. If you want to become a student of his or a client, he can work with you off the app. He takes his time out here to share the knowledge while he can, because he's a teacher. So.
Yeah. Make sure you guys follow him. Make sure.
All right, make sure y'all follow me on Instagram too. I got a lot of stuff on my Instagram, like the soaps, the type of food we should be eating, a lot of spiritual stuff. That's my Instagram right at the bottom. Capital Yizzreal.
And then follow his
The
partner at
Y.
the time on the. If you look at the views, there's Native A. Follow him as well.
Yep.
hmm
Yeah. Ah.
You want to show us something, Queenie?
Oh no, I was seeing who's trying to come up. Can you make a comment? You're trying to come up, but you just have an ID number and no picture, so I need you to like say something. So we.
So a lot of people use this black African soap, and they complain that their skin itches when they get out the shower when they use this, right? Or the skin is too dry. It's
Yeah.
not the soap; it's your shower filter head. Why would you use good soap and you bathe in the chemicals?
Yes.
That's true. It's very
I
true.
use papaya soap. Yes. Is that?
That's beautiful. It depends on what other ingredients are in it.
It's just I don't have the thing here, but it's all like just essential oil and papaya. But I don't know if they're like clean essential oils. That's the thing.
hmm
Okay.
Yeah.
So let's pick one of these soaps. So look, y'all want to do the black African soap?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. I'm gonna click on it.
Bathe with the black soap and this water. When I come out the shower, like I really feel really dry. Like
Dry,
I
right?
yeah, like it can be that way. Okay.
Now, when is the last time you changed the shower filter head?
I haven't. I'm gonna do when I come out live.
I've never in
Okay.
my life
You're about to order it,
used a
Ashanti?
shower filter
Right
head.
away.
Jesus.
As soon as I come off, like ASAP, ASAP. Yo, Pierre's heart. That's for your niece too, eh?
Hmm.
That's the issue. That's been a crazy issue. Like I can't leave with the whole. So I guess with the whole baby wipes, baby powder, all those things, eh?
Yep. Hey, if you can't get on the site, it's probably a lot of people logging in. Just try it again. Let me make sure she typed it in right.
You guys, if we're
Okay,
not
she typed it
talking,
in
please
right.
mute our mics. Somebody has feedback.
On me, try it again and let me know what happens. So these are the ingredients in the black soap. We got plantain skin, palm oil, coconut oil, cocoa pods, tea leaves and bark, vitamin E and A, and that's it. All these herbs come from Africa, handcrafted by our people. So you're gonna see the same ingredients in these herbs. Now, what happens when you get Dove soap? You see chemicals in it and words you can't pronounce. Same thing with Caress. Same thing with all these other soaps. So we
No,
got a sea moss soap. Say it again.
sorry. Scroll up. It has a D at the end. Yaki awakened.
Awakened. Yeah,
Sorry, yeah.
it's all good. All right, so yeah, you can get this soap off the website or look at the ingredients we use to make our soap with and try to match these same ingredients when you go to your Sprouts or your Whole Foods. We got the CBD lavender soap, jojoba and calendula, herbal lemongrass and rosehip. We got the back to Israel frankincense and myrrh bar soap, golden sea moss and turmeric root soap, purple sea moss and alkaline root soap, and the sacred vagina wash for my women that's dealing with fibroid, cyst, tumors, right? So let's click on the sacred vagina wash soap. Now, if I have fibroid, cysts, or tumors, how would you heal me if I'm a woman? What can I do for that?
A cleanse first.
Hmm.
You definitely need a detox, maybe.
Mm-hmm.
I
Okay.
guess it's more something with inflammation. I don't know.
Either. That's like none of the women know.
Hey, we're gonna learn
Uh-oh.
today.
We gonna learn today though.
All right, Omi, give it about an hour because I can log in, of course, but some people need to log. It's like millions of people logging into this site, and this is a black-owned company. Y'all know how the government is. They
Yeah.
slashed my teacher's car. They wrecked the store. The government is trying to get rid of everything, so that's why we got to get it while it's hot. If y'all know what that means.
Mm-hmm.
So
Yeah,
try
'cause
try
it
again in
works.
another 20 minutes.
I've
Are you
gone
in
on the
it?
site several times. Yeah, it works.
So she's on the site. Just make sure you type it in right, and just keep trying or whatnot, cause she's in there, I'm in there, etc. So
Yeah.
our soap is crafted with plant butters, 100% pure essential coconut, olive, rosemary, and red clover, and that's it. So you can make this soap yourself.
Right.
Just the
Yeah.
ingredients for the vagina wash. All right. Now, if I have fibroid cyst tumors, what should I be using? Yellow dock, chaseberry, bayberry. Spell it. Yellow dock,
Chase Bay. I don't think about it.
chaseberry, and bayberry. This is gonna decrease the fibroid cyst tumors to help it go away while you're on a mono fruit fast, an astringent fruit fast.
Hmm.
So this video will cover everything you need to know about what you need to be eating if you're going through fibroid cystic tumors. I'm gonna put it on the screen. And the next video is gonna be about fibroids, and the next video is gonna be about the woman's reproductive system entirety, how to heal from anything, urinary tract infections, no matter what you got going on. So this first video is called "Your Food is Either Adding Years to Your Life or Taking from It." This is going to discuss what you need to be eating if you have cancer, diabetes, eczema, psoriasis, sickle cell. How to thoroughly treat a cancer patient. Y'all can take a screenshot of that. Y'all let me know when y'all got it, and I'll move to the next one.
Got it.
When you go on this video, fast forward to exactly 10 minutes. So I'm going to get straight to the point. It's going to be talking about the pH scale, etc. Now let's get into fibroids. This video is called "Fibroids: How to Heal Naturally." Yaki Awaken. I know it's kind of blurry.
That's a
It is
big
right
one
there.
for Black women.
Exactly. Fibroids: How to Heal Naturally. Yaki Awaken.
Yeah,
Are
I've
we
heard
we good
that's
on that one?
major thing in black women.
Yeah.
All
Fibroid.
right. Are we good on that?
And
But
then the
now let's talk
doctor will
about.
tell you,
Yeah.
"Oh, it's hereditary. It's okay."
Yeah. Yeah.
All right. This one's called Yaki Awaken. Vaginal reproductive health is wealth, my sisters.
Wow.
All right. We talked about fibroids. We talked about that. Monofood fast. Okay. What else? Oh, now let me ask y'all a question. Does anybody take any pharmaceutical pills in here?
0.
Oh.
No.
I did. Okay, I did one.
It's okay, Buddha.
Why are you nervous?
Okay, when spring came, okay, this is because of my lack in like doing what I had to do for some winter during the winter. I didn't maintain my nutrients that I needed to my anti-inflammatory like ginger and turmeric. So when
Mm-hmm.
spring came, when that pollen came out, oh my God, it was the tears, everything. So in the moment of being desperate because I kept crying so much, I did take Claritin, but along with taking what I needed to take actually starting to take my turmeric and ginger again and back to my sea moss and onions, and now I'm back. I think it was 2 days of having to take it, and then after that I didn't need to take it anymore, and I can go back and bathe in nature without crying. I just had a moment to forget. I'm like, oh my God, I did this. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
But let me tell you, I haven't taken Claritin in about, I can say 5 years at least. When I took it this time, it's a huge difference. Remember, we're talking about our body, how it reacts to chemicals when you recognize it again. I
Yep.
felt like I was tripping. I remember I was walking. I took a walk outside and my legs felt wobbly. All I had was Claritin. I was like,
Did you
what is
see any inflammation in your legs as well?
happening? Huh?
See any inflammation in your legs as well?
It could have been because I couldn't feel anything. Literally, I called an Uber to go home because I felt like I couldn't make it home if I didn't call Uber.
Whatever you did weakened your lymphatic system. That's what
Yeah.
happened. Anytime your lymphatic system weakens, you start to get fat legs and a lot of inflammation. That means your lymphatic immunological system is shot. You need a lymphatic cleanse, you need a gut cleanse, you need a blood purifier, all that stuff.
Yeah, I was like, I felt like I was about to faint. I'm like, my legs cannot make it. Like, I'm here, but I'm not here. Like, I had to Uber home.
That's so interesting.
Now, go ahead. Now, for my women that's listening, what are the two biggest lymph nodes on your body?
Your breast.
Breast, right?
Hmm.
Why are our women catching breast cancer at an
Ooh,
alarming rate?
with that metal that in the undergarment,
Okay,
particularly.
what else?
Frost.
Deodorant.
Something about our lymphatic system.
Yeah. For those who don't know what the lymphatic system is, the lymphatic system is basically your garbage disposal. It's like your septic tank in your body. That's what the lymphatic system is. So if you look under your sink, you'll see pipes. What if you take them pipes away under your sink? What's going to happen? Water's going to float, spray everywhere. That's the same thing what happens when you have breast cancer. What the doctors do is they take away stuff from your body so I can't heal you. They take away your duct loads that's right underneath your breast. They take away your two lymph nodes that's your breast. They also take away your all these lymph nodes on the side. You got lymph nodes all over your gut, everything. Once they take this away, it's damn near impossible for me to heal you because you're either gonna die of a heart attack or die of a brain cancer. Something that dealing with that, right? We have a lot of healing testimonies. When we go live next time, I'm gonna show you my stage 4 breast cancer patient. I'm gonna bring on her, and y'all can ask her questions. Y'all can ask her what did she do to get rid of breast cancer. It took like 3 months for me to heal her breast cancer. No
Wow.
chemotherapy, no man-made pills, none of that garbage.
How
Wow.
about
All
you?
fruits, vegetables, seeds, nuts, and herbs.
Healed
That is
completely?
amazing.
Huh?
That's healed completely?
Yeah, she's on her last process. So the fluid went from her breast, then it bounced to her throat, then it went down to her liver. All I gotta do is give her a liver cleanse. That's it. So she's working on a liver cleanse right now.
Wow.
But when she talks, I want y'all to hear her from the very beginning. She couldn't walk. She was throwing up. She had headaches. She damn near felt like she was about to. The
Wow.
first week, I checked her blood. Her blood was back to normal stages. The second week, her husband said she was walking again. Her husband said she was glowing. She was talking better. The third week, she got even more better. She started. Then her 3 bitters finally arrived in the mail. And in that second month, she was going back and forth to the store. She wasn't getting no headaches. Wasn't throwing up. None of that. Then her blood just kept getting better and better and better. When I checked the CBC blood chart, I checked the WBC, her hemoglobin, her RBC, everything was leveling out perfectly. And at the very end, that lump on her breast was going down, and that fluid, like I said, it went from her breast to her throat to her liver. Every time you're healing, these parasites like to move. Okay, you want to cleanse the liver? I'm gonna run to the kidney. Okay, you want to cleanse the kidney? Let me run to the heart. All you gotta do is keep following the parasite wherever it's going and keep cleansing it whatever organ it's going to.
Wow. That's
It's
Wow.
very tricky. It's very tricky when you deal with breast cancer patients because the doctors are trying to get rid of you. They're trying to take away every organ in your body so you can go DIE.
That's
Most of
true
them.
because it's unfortunate like they are so quick on that. Like you said, let me take it away from you so I can heal you. Because
yeah.
I have two girlfriends who, I mean, they're not older than me. They're like my age. I'm 34, and their breasts it's been taken away immediately. You do that ASAP. Take it away from them. And unfortunately, you said they need that for the body to heal itself. If the body knows how to heal, and if you take away that process,
Hmm.
it can't happen.
Wow.
Yep.
Like
When
So
they
even
we should
remove your
be.
thyroid.
Say it again.
I was just saying, yeah, like they remove the stuff, like when they remove your thyroid and all that stuff.
They move your thyroid, your parathyroid. You need your organs in your body. The Most High didn't create us with no zipper. They have no reason removing organs from our body. No reason to do that. We are not created with a zipper.
yeah,
You know what I mean?
yeah.
That's crazy.
And your body really knows how to heal itself, and it's just like nature. You're part of nature, you know? Ever wonder how some plants they can look completely dead when they hibernate, and then next thing you know, they're coming back alive because you fed it the right sources that it needs, and you're no different. You know, you feel like you're dead, but you get back to feeding yourself what you need nutritionally, mentally, start nutrition, and you can heal again. Just need
Right.
patience.
Exactly.
Because remember, we are actual plants. Plants need chlorophyll. We need iron. The main minerals that the so-called Black, Hispanic, and Native American race need is iron phosphate and calcium triphosphate. So the so-called white race, they need zinc phosphate. Each race needs a certain mineral to survive and live. So everything we doing is robbing our body from iron. You bathe in the chemicals. You brush your teeth in chemical toothpaste. You're around chemical people, right? I can keep going. Your deodorant is chemicals. So you're literally bathing with chemicals, eating chemicals. This is how we're dying out here, y'all. 18 million of us have diabetes. This is not a time to celebrate. This is a time for all of us to learn how to be an herbalist and dietitian and become your own doctor. I'm not saying go get a master's degree from NASA to heal people. Dr. Sabi didn't have no master's degree. I think I need to bring that back. Get a master's degree from NASA. You know how many doctors and neurologists and nurses I talk to? And I ask them, hey, how long did you go to school for? Oh, I got 4 different master's degrees, 8 bachelor's degrees. How many people have you healed from HIV? None. What about cancer?
Right.
I don't know. I've never done that before. So what was the purpose of you getting all these degrees?
Right.
That's what I'm talking about?
To follow the mandate.
Yes. On me asked, how much did you charge the woman to keep her from dying?
$40.
Ooh,
I was gonna say it, but I
hold
wanted you
on.
to.
Hold on, not only that.
Yep. Yep.
Y'all repeat that again?
Yeah, do it again for the people in the back.
$40. That's
Yes,
it.
sir.
And not only does he just give, like, the doctors, they give you a prescription, they do a process that you can't even do yourself. But
Right.
with Yiz, it's the knowledge he's also giving you that when anything else happens, you know where to tap in without having to hit him up, It's knowledge. And that's priceless.
Priceless.
And y'all got to get it while it's hot. I'm getting a lot of. I don't have a secretary. I'm my own. I answer every phone call. I reply to every text message. So right now it's $40. Now this is for a lifetime. Right now, $40. This is not a consultation. I'm talking about $40. I can become your own call herbalist and dietitian. I don't give a damn if you got stage 4 cancer or full blown AIDS. Anything can be healed naturally. I got a lot of healing testimonies. My teacher has a lot of healing testimonies. We're gonna go over that. And I'm gonna bring my healing testimonies to this panel to prove what I'm saying. Cause I'm not up here to preach to y'all. Y'all don't see me with no suit on. I'm up here to show y'all that this stuff